There's always a bigger river out there. And that's something I live by. What am I even talking about? I thought that was a dog. It is a child. I'm all layered up. It's about 50 degrees, as my phone has confirmed. And I really have no place to go. I'm just out driving because I'm excited I got my license. I ordered some mirror extenders because the mirrors just aren't quite big enough. A permanent solution will be a new set of handlebars that can handle having bar end mirrors out here. They kind of hoop up, give you that wider view. The reason you can't put bar end mirrors on these handlebars because they're just cheap handlebars, so they're like welded on the end, so you can't slip anything in there. There it is, that second balcony with the black chair on the left. That's where I used to live. Looks the same.
Disappointed!
Oh shit, you know what I need to do first? Go air up my tire. The front tire pressure should be 22 pounds and it's under 20. And tire pressure makes a big difference. So I'm told. What the hell do I know? What are you doing, dude? Oh my god. An idiot in the wild. When I lived here, people always ran this red light. These two left red lights here are leaving a casino. I mean, let's be honest, most people leave a casino and not that happy. If you can leave a casino happy, you're pretty happy. A less substantial sentence has never been stuttered. And yeah, sometimes I stutter. Come at me, bro. What am I supposed to do? It's called a personality trait. Maybe get one of your own. Is it free? Please be free. It is free. Alright, yabba dabba dooba wabba bow.
I first recorded that, I was afraid.
Look at that storage unit coming into play. Huh, fucking perfect. Hello?
Here's the deal, I'm the best there is, plain and simple.
Sign from God, maybe? A nice custodian. Custom. Word fucking vomit. Another thing that's really fun to do on this bike. Check it. Check it. Check it. Wait. Check it. Wait. How much fun is that?
That's pretty neat.
Bow, bow, bow. Hit my horn. Set up my blinker. Absolute idiot. Everybody makes that mistake. I tell myself. Whoa, bottle. Watch out. See, those are dangerous situations because you don't know if that car is pulling in to a house or if they're going to do a quick U-turn and you just can't tell the U-turn's about to come. Oh, we got a green light, baby.
I was afraid.
Alright. Someone's got to go first. I just showed up. I wanted to park at the end of the pier thingy. That's what God damn them cars. I wanted to get a cool photo there. You ever think about that? Can you have more fun? The answer is yes. Of course you can have more fun. I could be doing this anything a taco. Situational awareness. Car behind me. Car in front of me, stop. How am I gonna get the bike wave? What's up? Oh, he gave it to me. That's a first. He gave me a half-ass one, dude. He lifted up a finger. I was like, dude, we're not the same. That guy wasn't wearing gloves. What a maniac. Not from like a safety standpoint. Oh, fucking, it's 50 degrees and cold as shit, dude. Hey, dude, you need a push? He didn't answer me. Oh, shit, he's jamming out, dude. No way you can hear that. Ain't no sunshine when you're gone.
I was afraid.
There's the Missouri River, but right before it meets the Mississippi. It's like, imagine being right next to a giant river. Like, most people rarely see a river this size. And this isn't even the biggest river. Like, I could drive 20 miles and see the Mississippi, and it's way more impressive. It just sucks, you know? Just goes to show you not how good you are. There's always a bigger river out there. And that's something I live by. What am I even talking about? I have to be stopped, just like this van. You must stop. Oh, you have a tail on your car. Oh, how kinky. Oh, so quirky.
What the hell is even that?
Just kidding. Don't shed hate to anyone. Just because they deserve it doesn't mean they should receive it. Oh, hell yeah, dude. Yeah, brother. Hello there. Hey, puppy. Alright, we should dig around in my wallet, see if we got any dollar bills yet.
I got mad dollar bills. Got all the dollar bills we need. What are these?
Fun zone dollar bills, yo.
Look at these bumps, dude. Oh, fuck. Oh, I thought that was a dog. It is a child. Look at Smoke, look at Smoke. It's a little collie mix. I mean, that's a nice herding dog you have there. Yes, adequate dog. What if every time I saw the dog, I just did a whole, like...
Best in show. Magnificent.
That would be annoying. What do we got? Gotta have something for this guy. Yes, $5? Shit, dude, I can't not do $5. I already pulled it out. $5, that's a lot. But give me joy, nodded to me. We connected. You showed me the smallest resemblance of affection, and I will give you $5. That's a guaranteed.
I guarantee it.
I wanted to be cool. Like, he doesn't see it coming. I want to be cool, you know. I care what he thinks about me. Yeah. Ooh, yeah, he's getting it.
Oh well. I busted my pick. What do you do in the footage?
I posted on YouTube. Are you good with that?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, dude. You're killing it. He loved it. He said he busted his pick. Any man jamming hard enough to break a pick deserves everything. Everybody deserves everything. You don't need to do anything to deserve to be happy. Oh, that dog's gotta be cold. Hey, doggy! Guy's out there killing it on the coldest day, and there's barely anyone out here. That says do not enter. Okay. Crisis averted. The crisis I created has been successfully diverted? Inverted? I didn't divert it, I just didn't do it. Let's go, bucko. Go a little faster, because if you're not breaking laws, then you're not breaking. Okay, give up sometimes? Hey, that's a good lesson. If it's not working out, give up. I want to go around to this park. I want to get into FPV drones, and I think this would be a cool park to come to. Usually it's pretty empty. Really, it needs to be completely empty, or I don't want to be a nuisance. This is such a weird little intersection. I could have gone right there. Absolute idiot. Watch for gravel, watch for gravel. This is the Katy Trail. Historic trail, used to be a train track. This is a park that's usually pretty empty. Do some like FPV drone flying around this equipment and like underneath these little pavilions and stuff. That'd be so cool. This looks suspicious. Man, one day I'm sure I'll low side this and slide it, because you know, you just gotta, how do you know the edge of your traction until you've gone past it, you know? How do I know how far I can lean, how much the tires will grip, until I absolutely ate shit? That's why I ride all this gear, because one day I will slide across the pavement, and when I do,
Oh well. I busted my pick.